Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is Kalpataru Eden, located off Samruddhi Circle, Nagpur. In this video, we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, master plan, position, pros and cons, builder profile, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting, do you know that what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स के साथ, क्योंकि हाउसी में लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधे बिल्डर्स एंड नॉट द ब्रोकर्स. सो यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. So let's start with the project overview. So this township will be constructed on total 147 acres of land parcel which will be developed phase wise. So currently they will be launching phase 1 with 37 acres of land parcel जिसमें आपको मिलेंगे 100 plus plots. Now the location part, this project is located off Samruddhi Circle near Hingna in Nagpur with Khapri metro station is 10 minutes away. D-Mart is 7 minutes away and Ames Nagpur is 9 minutes away from this project. Now let's discuss the amenities. This project consists of 40 plus luxurious amenities जिसमें आपको मिलेगा landscape garden, security, amphitheater, box cricket and many more. Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Kalpataru Eden. As you can see in this image, this is how your plots have been placed, which are starting from 1320 square feet to almost up to 3000 square feet carpet area. Now अगर पोजीशन की बात करें तो बिल्डर का टारगेट पोजीशन इज जून 2026 एंड रेड आउट पोजीशन इज सितंबर 2026. Now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. The first one is pros. ये प्रोजेक्ट आपको ग्रीन जोन में मिलेगा ड्यू टू देयर लश ग्रीन एमिनिटीज. This township is well planned, plotted township as it is developed and maintained by Kalpataru Group. और अगर लोकेशन के हिसाब से देखें तो this location is futuristic as next IT hub is coming up very soon. Now the awaited part, that is the con of the project. The project location is not developed yet. It is a developing phase. So it will take a little bit more time to develop this location. Now हम builder profile check कर लेंगे. So this project is being developed by Kalpataru Group and it is founded in 1969. Kalpataru Group properties has been spread across 9 big cities in India like Mumbai, Pune, Lonavala and many more. Kalpataru Group is one of the top real estate brand in India and it has been awarded many times in this 50 years. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site जहाँ पे हमारी sales team explain करेगी complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token that is 50 lakhs rupees only. And this token will have multiple benefits like exclusive pre-launch discount, preference and plot selection. And this token will be 100% refundable. And yes, one more thing I would like to add up that there are only few weeks, that is 2 weeks left for the tokens. And then we are going to close the token and start the booking. So for exclusive offers on the token that the token holders will be getting, you have to come soon to the site and proceed for your tokens. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Kalpataru Eden, located off Samruddhi Circle in Nagpur by Kalpataru Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.